Mars is capable of producing geological formations that look remarkably unusual. Beneath this ancient surface, there may still be clues waiting to reveal exactly how they formed. But perhaps the greatest mystery lies deeper. Could Mars have once supported life? Could microscopic life have survived in its ancient waters or underground? Now look closely at the area highlighted. Among these thin, layered Martian rocks is a flat, elongated formation with a surprisingly smooth and rounded outline. At first, it almost looks like a separate object lying on top of the surface. But what exactly are we seeing? From a distance, this scene looks completely ordinary. But zoom in. The surface is filled with different textures, colors, and mineral-looking yellowish fragments. That difference matters. On Mars, even a small variation in rock composition can reveal how the surface formed, how it was altered, and whether ancient fluids ever interacted with it. Now take a closer look at these towering layers. They almost look like pages in an enormous geological book. Each layer represents a different moment in Martian history. Over immense periods of time, sediment can accumulate, compress, fracture, and eventually become part of the landscape we see today. But there is something especially important about layered terrain. It can preserve evidence of ancient environmental changes. And if water once existed here in significant quantities, these rocks may have recorded its presence. The rover cannot travel back in time, but the rocks can. This isn't just a scene of Martian surface. This is whisper from another world. And every strange formation could be the beginning of the greatest discovery in human history. Notice the fascinating Martian rock formations at the bottom of the slope here. Scientists don't simply ask, "What does this rock look like?" They ask, "What happened to this rock?" Because the answer could reveal something much bigger. the environmental history of an entire region of Mars. Curiosity's Mast camera captured this fascinating panorama images on the 1,272nd sol of its mission. Between signs of ancient rivers, possible underground water, strange rock formations, and Martian anomalies, one thing is clear: Mars has a past, and we may just be scratching the surface of a shocking truth. The mystery of Mars isn't simply about finding something artificial. It's about discovering how a once-changing world evolved, and whether life, even microbial life, ever found a foothold there. Now we reach the footage that makes you look twice. Here, among scattered rocks and shifting sands, lies a formation shrouded in mystery. At first, it appears ordinary, but its layered, symmetrical design suggests something more. A rock of chiseled charm. Some say it even resembles an ancient machinery structure, shaped and eroded by time. Is it simply nature's artistry, or could it be a forgotten remnant of Mars' distant past? With every image captured by NASA's rover, the enigma of the red planet only deepens. Here, near the slope, lie curious spots, faint, water-like traces appearing to glisten against the dusty surface. Are they merely reflective patches of soil catching the light? Or could they be subtle traces of Mars' long-lost water, leaving its mark on this ancient terrain? The answer remains elusive, and the mystery is still far from being solved.